Hi, today I'm reviewing Realme C33 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just to do that, we should lock first the device. I set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now let's just try a couple of times unlock the device with my fingerprint to see does this feature work and how fast is it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. We just unlock the device less than in a couple of seconds. This is the good result for the face unlock. I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint unlock method is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.